In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and get started with a Kajabi 30-day free trial. Kajabi is a top choice for creators looking to build digital products, and this free trial is the perfect way to test out its features without any financial commitment. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to launch your preferred web browser and head on over to the Kajabi website. You can easily find it by searching for Kajabi, the #1 trusted creator commerce platform, in your favorite search engine. Once you've arrived at their homepage, you should see a prominent button that says Claim Your 30-day free trial. Go ahead and click on that button. It's your golden ticket to start exploring Kajabi's robust suite of tools designed to help creators like you build and grow their digital businesses. Next, you'll be prompted to continue with Google, which is a convenient way to sign up using your existing Google account information. If you use Google frequently, this will simplify your process since you won't need to remember additional passwords or usernames. Click on Continue with Google and you'll be taken to a page where you can select which Google account you'd like to use. Choose your preferred email, and if you're not already signed in, you might need to enter your email address and password. Once you have successfully linked your Google account, the next step is to enter your full name. This information is crucial as it personalizes your account and helps Kajabi provide a more tailored experience specific to your needs. Make sure to enter your full name accurately to avoid any confusion later on. After you've provided your full name, you'll need to provide your card details. Although this might seem a little daunting since we're discussing a free trial, it's essential to understand that this is standard practice for many subscription services. This information is only used to ensure uninterrupted service should you wish to continue beyond the trial. Remember, you can cancel any time within the 30 days if you decide Kajabi isn't the right fit for you. Finally, with all the information entered, simply click on the Start Free Trial button. Congratulations, you're now all set to explore everything Kajabi has to offer. From creating your first course to setting up email campaigns, you're free to delve into all the features and tools available. As you navigate through Kajabi, remember that their support team is just a click away if you have any questions or need assistance. Enjoy your free trial and happy creating.